Good day, everyone. Let's learn some letters of the alphabet. A and B stands for Aquino Bam. Bam Aquino. Bam Aquino. Okay, children. Letter C, D stands for Chel Jokno. Chel Jokno. Okay, he represents Akbayan Party List. E is for Espiritu. Look Espiritu. Look Espiritu. Look Espiritu. Say it with me. Bam Aquino, Chel Jokno, Look Espiritu, and let's skip some letters. H is for Heidi Mendoza. Heidi Mendoza. Heidi Mendoza. And skip. K is for Kiko Pangilinan. Kiko Pangilinan. Say it with me. Kiko Pangilinan. Bam Aquino, Chel Jokno, Akbayan, Look Espiritu, Heidi Mendoza, Kiko Pangilinan. Like, subscribe, share, repost, share, repost, share, repost. Thank you.